Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before I start the review, I have to make a couple of announcements because we have launched a couple of softwares for you. It's called Review to Profit AI and it's called Launch to Profit AI, as you can see here, okay? So I'm going to talk about these two things first because you need them if you are an affiliate or into affiliate marketing, or you want to promote something like, you want to create some reviews or some YouTube videos and you don't know how to do it and you want some done for you system, then these two software will help you. Okay, so just give me 3-4 extra minutes here so that I can explain this to you. This is my official announcement. These software belong to me. I have created it. So once we talk about that, after that we will surely start the review, and make sure you watch the video till the end to go and get these bonuses if you buy the copy from my link below, or I'll tell you exactly the real methods which I use in my personal online life to make money on the internet. Okay, so how do you get to these two software? The link below, it says check out my Warrior Plus products. So you click on that link right here, and then it will open a new tab, and then you will see two Profit AI software. One is Launch to Profit and the other one is Review to Profit AI. Review to Profit AI is live. You can buy it right now if you want to after watching the demo which I'm going to show you. The full demo video is available on the sales page. So you click here, or you right click, open the sales page, and you can just go and watch this full demo video for Review to Profit AI. And again, for Launch to Profit, you right click, you open it in a new tab, and then you simply go and scroll down and watch this full demo video to see how these software work and if you need them or not. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just quickly show you a sample demo here. So I'll just copy one of the sales pages here. Okay, so I'm going to copy the sales page and I'm going to go to Review to Profit AI first. This is the first software. So this software is live when I'm recording the video, and Launch to Profit is officially not live on Warrior Plus yet. When I'm recording this video right now, it's not live yet. It will be launching after 12th of June 2026. So if you're watching this video somewhere later on, then that means it's available to be purchased. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always email, and you can buy, if you want to buy Review to Profit AI after watching the demos. Okay, I'm going to show you how this Review to Profit can help you with what. So we're going to type in a product name right here quickly. So let's take an example. I'm going to type in Launch to Profit AI. That's my product name. And then I'm going to type in the URL, the sales page link. Okay, or it could be your affiliate link as well. Okay, so you type in your affiliate link, sales page link, and main benefit, what does it do? Creates content automatically. Just type in some keywords about your offer. Okay, I'm just showing you for demo purposes. In the product type, you can choose either of these. I will keep it to maybe AI tool, and I'm going to quickly create on generate campaign. Okay, so once you hit generate campaign, you get your affiliate article, as you can see here. And I'm showing you the shortcut. The full demo video is available on the sales page here. You go and watch the full demo video for both the softwares. Okay, so it generates the article here, it generates YouTube script here, it generates email promo, bonus page prompts, social media prompt, AI visuals, and not only that, what you need to do is, these are the prompts. Okay, these are all prompts. You have to click on open in ChatGPT, and it will automatically take you to ChatGPT, and you don't even have to copy. All you have to do is paste as in Control V, and everything is right there. Okay, so once you do Control V, everything is right there. All you have to do is just click this arrow, and ChatGPT, for example, if I show you, and the ChatGPT will give you all the content which you need to publish on your website. Okay, so this is what you can get from Review to Profit AI, and go and watch the full demo on the sales page. And let's get to this Launch to Profit AI. Launch to Profit AI is right here. In this case, what you can generate is review campaigns, bonus pages, this and that. I'll practically show you, but you have to go and watch the full demo video. I'm trying to make it as quick as possible. So in this case, I'll take the sales page of Review to Profit AI, vice versa, right? So come back here, and product name is what? It's Review to Profit AI, and my benefit is it creates prompts to generate content, right? You can take your time, type in whatever you like there. I will just type in my affiliate link or the sales page URL here. All these things are optional. You can type in the vendor name if you want to. You can target audience, this and that. It's all optional. I will choose the platform which the offer is launched on. So Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or whatever. So just I will leave it on Warrior Plus. Then niche will be any of these things. So I'll leave it on AI, and then authority. This is the writing tone. So professional, this and that. I'll keep on authority just for demo purposes. Okay. And then I will click on generate campaign right here, and you can see my entire article for this review to profit is generated. As you see it's all generated here, and you can copy this, download this, and paste on your website, and it's all ready to go. 2000 words, as you can see. Not only that, it's only the tip of the iceberg. You have bonus page. Okay, so you have the content for the bonus page here as well, you can see. Okay, so go and watch the full demo video. Bonus page, you get emails, you get YouTube script, you get social media, this and that. You get never ending, and you scroll further and you go and you get up to visuals. Okay, so go again, watch the full demo video for launch to profit right here, and then decide which one you want. You can get both of them. Okay, so just go on the sales page and check out if this launch or not, because launch to profit as of now, let me see. As of now, it's not live. It shows coming soon, but if it will be live, you will be able to buy. Review to profit is absolutely ready to buy. Okay, you can always buy review to profit AI if you want to. All right, there you go. So I guess we are done, and you can always go and watch the full video. So how do you go about that? Click on check out all my Warrior Plus products, and you come here and you right click on each of them, and then go to their sales pages, and then you simply watch the demo video and then take action. Okay, thank you for watching and listening to my announcements. Now let's start the review, and make sure you watch the video till the end to get your bonuses and how to know exactly how I make my money. Thank you, keep watching. Alright guys, let's do this ConvertPages AI review, and right now we are on the sales page, as you can see here. And as of now, you can see my links are pending. Okay, so if my links will be approved, then you will find it below my YouTube channel. So how do you get to the sales page? Whenever the links are approved, I will leave the links below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab ConvertPages AI copy here. So you click on that ConvertPages copy link, and then you come to the sales page, and then you can go and grab your copy and watch the video till the end to know which bonuses you are going to get along with that. Okay. Once my links are approved, obviously. So it shows, or it says, AI powered affiliate pages that turns casual visitors into leads and commissions in 3 minutes. It's $37 to start with. The elephant in the room. Okay, let me show you the demo video right away. Okay, so here's the demo video. Okay, so and I have to mute it first. So it's muted, and now we can watch. So there you go. It's just like 2 minutes long video, 125 seconds. So let's watch it. So you're going to create your squeeze page, opt-in page, landing page, stuff like that. So these are the pages, as you can see. And you can spend your own time on the sales page when you get there. So you pick up your offer from anywhere, from ClickBank, from Warrior Plus, any niche. It works in any niche. And you can just create your thank you pages, your opt-in pages, lead capture pages. And let's see, what do we get? So you type in the product name there. Then you type in your affiliate link. And it generates the images, I guess. Or you can upload it as well. So I guess they're going to upload it. Let's see. Upload image. So they have got the smoothie seekers copy, and that's the lead magnet you're giving away to collect people's email address, and that's your final opt-in page. And you can connect your autoresponder such as GetResponse, iWeber, and you can start growing your email list. And then you have some AI images, AI characters. So you can always play around with these AI features, and you can just pick and choose. Okay, whatever will attract you will attract others as well. So that's how you go and grow your email list. Name your page. And are we done? View live page. This is how it looks like. You have to bring people to this page, and they will opt in, and that's it. So I guess the demo is done. Okay, that's it, right? So you have seen the product. Now let's go through some question answers at the bottom. Anything else do we have here? Okay, these are leads and everything. So let's talk about the question and answers. So the price will be $37. This is what you will be getting, okay? Read everything carefully. Unlimited squeeze plus bridge pages, AI prompt generator, this and that, okay? So this is what you will be getting in 37, and this is what you will be getting in 77, which is a pro version, okay? So again, you go and read everything here. You can add your custom domains as well in this. I think in this one, in $37, the pages will be hosted on their ConvertPages.co, I guess, website. And in this one, you can transfer those pages to your own domain, I guess. Okay. So you can grab one of those copies, 30-day guarantee they have. And then there are some question answers. So is this really one-time payment? Yes. Do I need an autoresponder? Well, if you want to get into email marketing, you will. They have the integration with GetResponse and iWeber. I am a completely newbie. Will I get lost? No, there is. AI was built for people who refuse to spend 6 months, blah, blah, blah. So they have some documentation inside. Do I need to buy hosting or domain? No, it's hosted on their website and convertpages.co, as I told you already, until unless you want to have it on your domain and buy the pro version. So how many pages can I build? Unlimited. Will I get updates? Yes. What if I want my money back? 30 days. Okay. So from me, if you want the product, then buy. Why to bother, for the refund? If you're not sure, then don't buy, right? Buy it if you it's not because of the refund, it's because you need to have the clarity in your head what you want to do. If you're confused, today you want to do email marketing, tomorrow you want to make a YouTube video, third day you want to promote some product or make a product to yourself, don't be confused. So when you buy this, make sure you want this, okay? Otherwise don't buy. So go ahead, grab your copy if you buy this, and on top of that, even if you don't need this for whatever reason, but if you go and buy this from a link below, you will get those bonuses which we are going to talk about, okay? So make sure you watch the video till the end to know my bonuses. And this is the funnel here. So let's talk about the funnel. So we have talked about 37 and 77 already. Then you have some AI Pro 67, then 27, 47, 47. You can see all the details right here, okay? Whatever you are getting, or when you visit the relevant sales pages, you will be able to find what you will be getting in those relevant OTOs, upsell or downsell, okay? And if you want everything all together, the bundle offer, you can pay them $197 and get that with it, okay? So I guess that's all about this ConvertPages AI. If you want these pages, lead funnels, etc., etc., go and grab from my link if you find the link below, and also you will get those bonuses. So it will be worth it. You will be getting the funnel, you will be getting my bonuses. So definitely worth it. Go ahead and grab the copy, and now watch the video till the end. Alright guys, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about my real methods which will make you real money if you follow them. So below the video you have many links, but I will go ahead and talk about bonuses as well. So stick till the end. And right now, let me show you my YouTube profile. If you don't know me, then you will know me by looking at my YouTube channel. So once the YouTube profile is open or you click on my channel name, then go to playlist here. And in playlist, you could see that I have done these reviews 1647 times already, okay, before this video. So you can see affiliate product reviews, and there is a number of 1647 videos, which means I have done these reviews for a number of years. I started this, I think, 5 years ago, and then I left these reviews 3 years ago, and then I changed my field to forex trading, as you can see here. Okay, so the methods which I'm going to talk about, they are not like I woke up from my dream and I'm telling you do this. No, I have been doing those methods or using those methods to make money for myself for a number of years. Okay, so one method is obviously YouTube, make videos and make money, or sell something in a YouTube and make money. We'll talk about that in a moment. Another method is forex trading, which I have done. As you can see, I was doing reviews, then I switched to forex trading, and then I can mix both of these things. I can do reviews, I can do trading, so it's fine for me. So come back here and let me close this one, by the way. So first of all, let me get this thing out of the head, that who this trading is for. Can you do it or not? That's not the right question. The right question is, do you have the money to invest or not? Okay, if you're broke, this is not for you. If you live on paychecks, salary to salary, it's not for you. If you are on a budget, it's not for you. It's only for people who have funds available or flexible with the funds. Okay, if you don't have money to invest, it's not for you. That's it. Okay. If you have the funds, if the money is sitting in your bank account doing nothing, then yes, you can try investing into trading and you can join my mentorship program. So you click on this link called Swing Like a Pro, and then you go to the page, enter your email. After that, you will come to this page here where you can go and watch these setups or the trades which we have taken in the recent past. Okay. And these are like short videos, 2 minutes videos. Each video will be long, 2 minutes, and you can go and check out my knowledge that if I know anything or not. So go and check out these things in your free time. And then the second method is obviously make money on YouTube. Anybody can do it. We click on this link here and you can get to your YouTube channel monetized just within 4 weeks. Go and watch the testimonial right here. You can see the testimonial, enter your name, email. After that, you will come to this page right here and you will be able to get 1000 subscribers and 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours just within 2-3 weeks, and get your YouTube channel monetized, full blown monetized within 1 month. Okay, testimonials are right there on the page here. Go and check them out. And then you can make money with YouTube ad revenue. As you can see here, you can make money by selling something, by affiliate marketing, this and that, this and that. Okay, go and check out everything in your free time. I'm giving you all the methods which I have used in my online life. Okay, trading for people who have the money. YouTube, anybody can make if you have the knowledge, but you have to go and get Traffic Jarvis to get this knowledge. Okay, Traffic Jarvis is right here, the YouTube course. And then we have this get 100 email leads per day. In case you want 100 email leads per day and you want to sell them anything, any offer of your choice, then this system will give you 100 leads per day, and also the system or the software so that you can email them once per day. And you can see I had been making this kind of money from number of years. It's never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending. It's never ending, never ending, never ending. It will not make you rich. $5 here, $5 there. It will not make you rich, but it's never ending, as you can see. Okay, it's coming, it's reoccurring, it's reoccurring, it's reoccurring, it's reoccurring, it's reoccurring. Okay, it will not make you rich, but if you want couple of $100 per month, extra, it might help you. Again, results are not guaranteed. All the results, depends on your consistency, on your discipline, on your hard work. My results are based on my hard work. Okay. And then if you do not know what to do exactly, if you're not sure at all, you don't know what's going on here, you can speak with me. Okay, you can talk to me, one-to-one consultation. It says book one-to-one consultation. You click on this link right here, and then you can talk to me for 40 minutes on audio call. Scroll down, you can book your 40 minutes audio call for $97. You click here and you make the payment, and after the payment you email me your timing. When do you want to speak? What is your availability? Or you can even email before the payment. You can email and we can fix the timing, and you can make the payment, and then you can talk to me for 40 minutes and you can discuss anything you want. You can discuss your affiliate marketing, YouTube thing, if you want to make money on YouTube, or how to start with affiliate marketing, or you want to do email marketing, or you want to try trading. Whatever your questions will be related to MMO, make money online, or whatever you have in your mind, I will help you to answer. I'll talk to you, help you, whatever I can help you with. Okay, so if you want to speak with me because you don't know what to do, you can book consultation with me. And let's talk about the bonuses now. So bonuses, if you go and buy the product from my link below, so let's say you find the link below my video which says grab copy, and you go and buy, then the links will be automatically then the bonus will be automatically delivered. Okay, you will get a free lifetime email autoresponder so that you can email for free for lifetime, and you can grow your email list. And you will get also 2 hours of video training, which is case tracking. Case tracking means keep it simple. So it's like doing what I'm doing right now in this training. Okay, so if you want to make these reviews and get some sales and make some money, then go and get this case tracking training and learn how am I doing this, what I'm doing right now, for free. Okay, and there's Forex Profit Machine. If you have no idea what this trading is all about, I am giving you 11,000 words of PDF. It's totally for beginners, and if you go through this PDF, you will know exactly what Forex trading is. Okay, if you have any questions at any point of time, you can go and email me. If you want to buy Review to Profit AI, if for example, in the beginning, I have shown you this, I have shown you Launch to Profit AI. Okay, anyway, so let's do a quick recap. Okay, you can get these bonuses if you go and buy the product using my link below, for which we have done the review in the beginning. Or else you can also get these bonuses if you buy Review to Profit or Launch to Profit from my not from my link, because these are my software anyway. Okay, so Review to Profit, Launch to Profit, they are my software anyway, so you are buying directly from me. In that case, what you have to do is you have to just email me the receipt, the purchase proof that you have bought Review to Profit AI or Launch to Profit AI, and then ask me to send you the bonuses, and I will manually email you this link where you can grab these bonuses. Okay, so whether you buy the third party product for which I'm doing the review, or whether you buy this review to profit or launch to profit, you will get your bonuses. It's just that you have to email me when you buy these two things from me, review to or launch to AI profit. These things, if you buy, you have to just email me and I'll send it manually. I hope you understand it. Okay. So I guess let's wind this up. And if you have any questions, this is the email. And if you want to make money, use these methods. Either try trading if you have the money. Otherwise, just come and make money on YouTube, get your channel monetized, or get 100 leads, or you can book consultation with me if you are confused. And thanks for watching. So thanks for watching this video. Till then, subscribe, like, and share. Take care.